Newman. Alla gael ei ergyd I fewn ar y droed chwith yn adlamu at Edwards, at Zayek Edwards. A rwan, wel am yr dacl galed yna. A mi fyna waith y fan hyn gan Mr Pratt. Mae pawb yn ei chanol hi ag eithrio golwr y bari. Ac ar ei hyd ar lawr, mae Zayek Edwards a Cerdyn Melyn I Ryan Newman, a hefyd Cerdyn Melyn I Michael Parker. Hayes, cecli o sotliad hyfryd I lwybr Edwards. Cyfle fan hyn am yr ergyd o bosib Zayek Edwards. Ac yna mae'n disgyn I mar ar ergyd gan Stead. Dyna'r cyfle gorau hyd yma i'r tîm cartra. Hugh. McLagan yn mynd amdani o bell! Arbediad da gan Carl Jones oedd yn ei gwylio hi holl ffordd. Kyle McLagan gweld I gyfla. Watkins yn gwneud yn dda. Gyda'r cliriad I fyny'r cae. Ras I TJ Nagy. Nagy ni dwyni, mae'n gyfle fan hyn I Nagy, allai fynd heibio'r golwr. Nagy wedi mynd heibio'r golwr, mae'r gol yn wag, mae McLagan yn ras I fyny'r cwr Cosby. Ac yna'r cliriad allan gan James Stead. Dihangfa I Prestatyn. Hayes ar piniad, gyda Ryan Evans i'r bari Sainty. Disgyn yn ôl I Sainty, McLagan. Y golwr yn ystyried dod amdani mae'n disgyn I McLagan. McLagan i'w dwyni o arbediad da. Yna gyfle fan hyn I Newman! Ac arwr y penwythnos dwytha ydi dihiryn y penwythnos yma. Ryan Newman, haws sgorio dybia I. Hugh, mond at Noah Edwards, fyna 3 yn y canol disgwyl am y creisiad. Noah Edwards, bel at yr ochr bella. Mae'n gyfle fan hyn I Parker! Da ni di chwarae 2 munud a hanner dros y 90. Y dathlu'n ddramatig, gŵl ddramatig. Michael Parker yn ei dwyni yn yr amser ychwanegol.
Credit to Barry. They came with a plan. They came to, it's their first away match in the Welsh Premier League in a long time. So they came with a plan of how to set up and try and possibly counter-attack against us. We felt we were good enough up to a certain point, and maybe our final decisions, our last pass is where the attacks let us down. So we've got areas to work on, but I felt we did enough to ask enough questions, and it's something about Prestatyn, last few minutes, goals, winning goals, last minute goals, there's a bit of drama, it tends to be at this end. And how many times has it been Michael Parker with that winning goal? So, credit to him today as well.
It was going to be happy birthday. It was going to be congratulations on your 350th game as Barry manager, but that counts for nothing.
No, disappointing. I think if I reflect on the game as a whole, I think that I wouldn't say there was much quality in the game. If I'm being honest, it was a difficult game in difficult circumstances and conditions. And it just goes to show the fine margins in football. As a manager, I could quite rightly feel that we could be sat here on 6 points at the moment. Sadly, we've got 1. But, we're here to learn and we're here to get better. So we're not a victim, we're not going to feel sorry for ourselves. We look forward to TNS next week.
And you've got that first win under your belt now. That's very, very important.
Yeah, it is, because obviously next week's another challenge. They come thick and fast in the Welsh Prem, and something we're really, really excited about. That's what we wanted to be in for, and we're trying to embrace it. Away at Bangor is another tough game, so 3 points today is massive before we go to Bangor, and this was a game that sort of split the Connasky Bangor as a 3. So now we go with full of buoyance in terms of the result we got today, and we'll see what we can do next week.
What have you learnt in the first 2 games back in the Welsh Prem?
I feel we can compete. I feel that you haven't seen the best of my team. I think the lads are far better in possession at the moment, but that'll take time. I feel that we can be quite well organised. So when we get better, we'll get stronger and we'll compete further.